Hi, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can improve Bixby voice wake up accuracy on the Samsung Galaxy S21 series. Now first let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then swipe up to go into app screen and tap on the Samsung folder. Next, in here tap on Bixby and then tap on the menu key at the top. From the pop-out menu, tap on Settings. In Bixby Voice Settings, go down and tap on Voice Wake Up. And then go down here and tap on Improve Voice Wake Up Accuracy. Next, tap on the Start button to begin. So you need to say the following: Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. Hi Bixby. And say tap record more to make more recordings. So the more you do this, the better Bixby can recognize your voice. So you can either tap on record more or tap on the done button when you're finished. And that's it. That's all you have to do to improve the accuracy of Bixby voice wake up in recognizing your voice. And finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.